Welcome back to our video series on the Web Traffic Blueprint. Now, another great way to generate targeted traffic to your sales page is through article marketing. Writing and submitting articles related to your product can have a quick and long-lasting positive effect on the targeted traffic flow to your product's web page. This particular video is going to walk you through the steps to get this done. For you to benefit from the act of marketing articles to sell your product, you're going to need an article. So if you have any kind of skills related to writing, then you're one step ahead of the crowd. If not, then you can outsource that task to any number of sources. Do a search on Google or your search engine of preference for outsourcing the article writing task. And there's, like I said, a number of places that you can do that for, most of which are rather inexpensive. For example, offhand, you can have some written, depending upon the number you have written at one time by the same person, anywhere from $5 to $50 a pop. So with that thought in mind, you're only looking at maybe 2, 3, 4 articles tops, maybe even just one to get your feet wet. But the article that you're going to be writing should not be a sales page for your product. But let's say, for example, your product solves a particular problem. Let's say your ebook, that's what your product is, let's say, describes the perfect golf swing or how to grow the biggest tomato. The problem the article you would be writing or having written would be how to solve the slicing of your golf swing, or how to avoid the black spots on your tomatoes. Well, your ebook can easily be tied into that particular article. As someone, either yourself or someone being outsourced to do this, is writing that article on how to avoid the slice in that golf swing, your product, your ebook on the perfect golf swing is mentioned repeatedly throughout that article. Or your ebook on growing the perfect tomato is mentioned throughout that article. Perfect tie-in. Once you've got your article written, you need to get it submitted to as many different places as possible. Just like in video marketing, where you have a couple of sites that will submit your video to several different places all at once, well, an article directory is basically the same thing, only for articles. So find yourself a great article marketing directory so that you can submit your article to a lot of different eyes at one full swoop. Now then, one great place that I suggest that you submit your article to is called eZine Articles, one of the top dogs in the business. And there's a lot of guides throughout eZine Articles that will help you not just in submitting your article to them, but in how to create the article in the first place. So this is top on my list when it comes to suggesting folks to use article marketing to get long-lasting targeted traffic to their sales products. So write your article, make sure that it's not a sales page, make sure that it is solving some type of a problem, and tie in your product to that article as you're doing so. Submit your article to several different sites using the power of article marketing directories. And one site that I would suggest heavily to use, among others, is eZine Articles. Article marketing is a great way to generate long-term targeted traffic to your sales page over and over and over again. Once you've submitted your article, it's there forever. It's kind of a set it and forget it. Go ahead and make your next article, submit it. Next article, submit it. The more articles you have for a particular product you're trying to sell, the more eyes you're going to have coming to that particular product over and over again. So this is going to bring us to the end of this video on using article marketing as a means to generate long-lasting targeted traffic to your sales products. Thank you much for watching. I hope you learned something. Have a great day.